How to connect Stripe to Webflow. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Stripe to Webflow. So in order to connect Stripe to Webflow, we're going to use Zapier. So here on the home screen, just click on New Zap. And now you have to select a trigger. Just click on it. Since we want to connect our Stripe to Zapier, here on the search bar, just search for Stripe. Just click on it. And after that, just choose an event from the drop down, New Customer, Continue. After that, just go ahead and sign in and connect your Stripe with your Zapier. And after that, just click on Action. And here, just search for Webflow. Just click on it. Now choose an event, create item, continue. And now just go ahead and sign in to connect your Webflow with Zapier. And once you're successfully done connecting your Stripe and Webflow both to your Zapier account, and then you will be able to successfully connect your Stripe to your Webflow. So this is basically how you can connect your Stripe to Webflow easily. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.